Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade gold on Metatrader 5 step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your MT5 account, and once you're in, you want to go to the quotes tab, and at the top right corner, tap the plus icon. From here, you want to go to metals folders, and then you'll see different options like gold versus euro, gold versus AUD, gold versus USD, and more. Pick the one you want to trade, for example, gold versus AUD, and add it to your watch list. Next, you want to go back to your quotes list and find the gold pair you just added. Tap it, hold on to it, and then choose new order. Now from here, you're ready to trade. If you want to sell, just tap the sell button on the bottom left. And if you want to buy, just go ahead and tap the buy button on the right. And that's it. You've just learned how to place on gold trade on MetaTrader 5. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.